guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're going to take a look at the Dominator D2 Steps from Go Rhino. These steps are really great for someone looking for that off-road look, but still having some street functionality. So Ben, tell me a little bit about what makes these particular steps different from other steps in the Dominator series.
Well, this particular D2 does share the same construction in terms of being heavy duty and rugged, but there's some aesthetic features that are different. One of the obvious ones is the drop-down steps that are welded to it. There's two of them for this particular application. As you know, it has a larger opening that allows most customers to put their entire foot rather than stepping in with their toes. So kind of helps add to that functionality for a customer looking to get in and out of their vehicle.
So when we're looking at the installation of this, is it very difficult? What's sort of included when you purchase these?
We include all the brackets and hardware. There's no drilling required. You're going to use all the factory provisions to install this. Basically hand tools. You should be able to install this in about an hour or two at home.
Overall, we would rate this installation a 3 out of 10, and it should take you about 2 hours. Since this is a product we're using every day, what's the type of warranty on this?
The warranty on the texture black finish is going to be a 5-year warranty on it.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Dominator D2 Steps from Go Rhino. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Sitters in the Garage.